Delicious chicken breasts, topped with bacon and smothered in a creamy yet light feeling sauce. This has a real depth of flavour thanks to the sun-dried tomatoes. This recipe is gluten-free, low in carbs, high in protein, keto friendly, and perfect if served with one of my fave veggies, asparagus. So I'll shut up and we'll get cracking. Here's the ingredients list. I'll put a copy of these down in the comments below so you can copy. Our first task, let's cook the bacon. I'm putting mine into a hot oven for 15 minutes, but you can fry or broil yours if you prefer. It's best to be crispy. Meanwhile, we can prep our chicken. As the breasts are plump, stop sniggering. They need to be cut horizontally so they cook quickly and easily. Now we can add the paprika and rub this into the chicken. This will help with colour and flavour. Next, drain the sun-dried tomatoes, saving the oil from the jar as we'll need this to fry with. Now, roughly slice the tomatoes lengthwise, increasing the surface area, and this will help flavour the sauce. Hey, my bacon is ready now. I'll leave this to one side to cool. We'll need to chop these up into shards. Now it's cooking time. Let's add a couple of tablespoons of the reserved oil from earlier and heat on medium-high. Add the garlic, and the sun-dried tomatoes. Fry them for about 1 minute. After a minute, take these out of the pan, leaving the residual oil behind. And add the chicken to the pan. Fry on one side for 4 minutes. Then turn them over for another 4 minutes. Don't worry, the chicken will finish cooking off later. You may need to do this in 2 batches. Once cooked on both sides, cover the pan and remove from the heat for 10 minutes or so to allow the chicken to cook all the way through. Then remove from the pan, and if your chicken has left a lot of juices, drain them to stop the sauce becoming greasy. Once drained, add the cream to the pan and reduce the temperature. We're looking to heat the cream so it's just bubbling gently. Now we can add the cheese. Whisk the mozzarella into the cream until it's really smooth. Reduce the heat a little more. Time to add the milk, but in small amounts, whisking constantly until it's all in and combined and smooth. Now, add the tomatoes and garlic back into the pan. Add the dried basil and red pepper flakes, followed by the basil leaves cut into strips. Now give the sauce a good old stir. We can now add our chicken back into the pan and allow to combine with the sauce for a couple of minutes. before topping with the crispy bacon shards. And we're done! Well, I do hope you liked this video. Why not be a star and like and subscribe so you can see what's coming up next. So until next time, bye!